Let's prove sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 into sin of A plus B divided by 2 into cos A minus B divided by 2. Now see solution. Let x is equal to A plus B by 2 and y is equal to A minus B by 2. Now observe that x plus y is equal to A plus B upon 2 plus A minus B upon 2. So this is equal to this is A plus B plus A minus B upon 2. Now A plus A 2A and 2A by 2 A and B minus B cancel. So x plus y is equal to simply A. Okay, this is first observation. Now observe that x minus y is equal to A plus B upon 2 minus A minus B upon 2. So this is equal to, now this A plus B as it is, now minus A and minus this is plus B upon 2. So now A minus A 0 and B plus B 2B by 2 just B. So x minus y is equal to B. So we have two observations, x plus y is equal to A and x minus y is equal to B. Now consider this left hand side, sin A plus sin B. Okay, now this sin A plus sin B. Now this is equal to, now sin A, what is value of A? A is nothing but x plus y plus sin B, and value of B, it is x minus y is equal to, now sin x plus y, it is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. This is formula for sin x plus y. Plus now sin x minus y, it is sin x into cos y minus cos x into sin y. Okay, is equal to, now sin x into cos y, and here again sin x into cos y, so this is 2 sin x into cos y, and this term cos x into sin y and minus cos x into sin y cancel with each other. So sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin x cos y. So sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 into sin, the value of x. What is value of x? X is nothing but A plus B divided by 2. So this is A plus B upon 2 into, now cos y. Now what is value of y? Y is nothing but A minus B by 2. So into, this is cos of A minus B upon 2. Okay, so sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 into sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Okay, thank you.